before starting the new chapter, we have to learn some mathematical tools. The first tool that we are going to learn is differentiation. Although those who are PCM students would be going in detail, but those who would be having PCB have to learn it, have to see how it has to be used. So today's video would be on differentiation, and first we will go through some formulas of differentiation. The different symbol of differentiation is given by d by dx. This term means differentiation. D by dx means differentiation with respect to x. The denominator defines that whom you are differentiating. So d by dx is a symbol of differentiation with respect to x. If I write d by, suppose d by dv, and v is velocity, so that is differentiation with respect to velocity. So whatever this term would be, differentiation in is that respect. So let us go to the formulas first. Differentiation, the basic formula, the first formula of differentiation is for x to the power n, and its formula is n x n minus 1. This is the formula of differentiation of x to the power n. Now suppose I want to differentiate in some situation, I want to differentiate x square. I want to differentiate x square, d by dx of x square. So if I apply the formula, the value of n is 2. So 2x, 2 minus 1 remains 1. So answer is 2x. Suppose you want to differentiate x5. You want to differentiate x5. That is d by dx of x5. The easy method is that power comes in front and subtract 1 from power. So the power is 5 here. The power comes in front, it becomes 5. Subtract 1 from power, that is 4. 5x 4. This is the application of this formula d by dx x to the power n is equal to nx n minus 1. Next formula, d by dx of constant is 0. D by dx of constant, let us say constant is a, is equal to 0. Okay, see, dx means differentiation with respect to x, but if you're differentiating which is not x, answer would be 0. Got it? If I say differentiate 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 7, that are constant numbers, or differentiate pi, so these are constant. So when you differentiate constant, answer would be 0. But suppose you have to differentiate 3x square. Suppose you have to differentiate 3x square which has a constant in it. Then how you have to do this? If you have to differentiate this such type of numbers, that is 3x square, in such case that 3 comes outside. So 3 comes in front and differentiate x square with help of this formula only. Power in front, that is 2, and subtract 1 from power, that is only x. So answer would be 6x. Suppose you want to differentiate 5x 5. 5x to the power 5. Now again what you do, you have to, this constant would come outside, so it would be 5, and differentiate x5. So differentiation of x5 is 5 and subtract 1 from power, that is x4. So it becomes 25. 5 into 5 is 25. It becomes 25x4. So when a constant is in multiplication, so what you have to do, you have to take it out from the differentiation and differentiate the rest of the part. But suppose you have to differentiate x4 plus 5. Now constant is not in multiplication, it is in addition, or it can be in subtraction also. So you have to differentiate this. In that case, constant would not come out. It only comes out when it is in multiplication, not in addition or subtraction. Now you will do two different differentiations. You will do for x4 also, and you will do for 5 also. So x4 becomes 4x cube plus 5 becomes 0. 5 becomes 0. So when the quantity that you are differentiating is separated by plus or minus, you have to do different or individual differentiations. If it has been 4 quantities, plus 5 plus x cube, so 3 differentiation, this also, and the third part also. But if a constant is in multiplication, it comes out and differentiate the rest part.